Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all keeping really well. My name is Georgina Margaret Walker, and for those who don't know me, I'm a clinical hypnotherapist certified with the Institute of Clinical Hypnotherapy Ireland. Just wanted to pop on today and give a quick update about my experience with the Karl Anthony method that I had last week with Karl himself. Myself and Karl, we worked through some issues I was having to do with anxiety. I was having some issues with my personal relationships, my intimate relationships. And the issues that I had for a long time, and to be honest, I never felt like I would actually heal them or have an opportunity to address the situations and the issues that I was having. But after doing the Karl Anthony method and giving it a couple of days to see how I feel, I have to say that the results have been completely life-changing. And it's incredible how quick the method is and how effective it is. My confidence is incredible since the process. My relationships have improved. My relationship with myself has improved so much. I just feel so much lighter and freer. And I just can't believe that something so simple could be so effective. And it's crazy how it's not more readily available to members of the public when we have waiting lists in this country for over 2 years for people with mental health, 2, 3, 4 years suffering with mental health who don't see a way out. So I just wanted, like I said, to do a quick update, just to let everyone know how good I was feeling, and just as a testament to how powerful and how effective this method actually is. So thank you very much for your time, for watching this video. I am feeling so good, so refreshed, so light, and I just want to bring this method to as many people as possible because it's so easy, so simple, yet so effective. So thank you very much for your time.